If you're looking for a reliable circular saw that combines performance, portability, and price, Ryobi has several models worth considering. In today's video, we'll dive into 5 top-rated Ryobi circular saws on Amazon, testing their features, performance, and value for various types of users. Let's begin with the Ryobi 1 plus HP 18-volt brushless 7 and 1/4 inch circular saw PBLCS 300B. This model leads the pack with a brushless motor that delivers up to 40% faster cutting than previous Ryobi model. It can make more than 325 cuts per charge when paired with a high-capacity battery, which is ideal for extended tasks. It features a cutting depth of 2 to 7/16 inches at 0 degrees and a 0 to 56 degree bevel range, offering flexibility for angled cuts. The included vacuum dust adapter helps keep your work area cleaner. If you're working on big framing projects or repetitive cuts, the PBLCS 300B delivers both power and endurance, making it a favorite among pros who want cordless convenience without sacrificing muscle. For those who prefer something lighter and more compact, the Ryobi P507 1 plus 6.5 inch circular saw offers a great balance between power and portability. Running on the same 18-volt 1 plus battery system, this saw reaches speeds of 4,700 RPM and features a left side blade for enhanced visibility of the cut line. It includes tool-free adjustments for both depth and bevel, simplifying changes on the fly. Ergonomically designed for comfort, this model is easy to control even during long session. The P507 is perfect for small home projects, shelving, or panel cutting, and it's particularly attractive for beginners who want something easy to handle but capable enough for various tasks. If you're working in tight areas or need a compact solution without compromising speed, the Ryobi PSBCS 01B 6.5 inch compact brushless circular saw might be what you're looking for. This saw is part of Ryobi's HP series and boasts a brushless motor with 4,900 RPM for fast, efficient cutting. It's surprisingly lightweight, which makes it ideal for overhead cuts, ladder work, or jobs where portability is essential. The saw features a 50-degree bevel capacity and is compatible with all Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus batteries. Its small footprint and powerful output make it ideal for remodelers, electricians, and anyone doing precision cuts in confined spaces. Now, if you prefer the uninterrupted power of a corded tool, consider the Ryobi CSB 12513 amp 7 and 1/4 inch circular saw. This model offers a steady power supply with a 13-amp motor and comes ready to work right out of the box with a blade and wrench included. Its bevel capacity reaches up to 51 degrees, allowing for a wide range of angled cuts. Despite being corded, it's surprisingly lightweight, which reduces fatigue during extended use. This saw is great for heavy-duty tasks where runtime and consistent torque are key, such as cutting framing lumber, plywood, or OSB for flooring or roofing jobs. Last on our list is the Ryobi PCL 500B 5.5 inch circular saw, a compact tool ideal for quick cuts and lighter tasks. With a speed of 4,700 RPM and a cutting depth of 1 to 11/16 inches, it's designed for portability and ease of use. It includes a 45-degree bevel option and features a lightweight body that's easy to control. This model is perfect for cutting down sheet goods, making quick trims, or handling small repairs around the house. Its size and simplicity make it an excellent starter tool or a convenient second saw for professionals who want something quick and efficient. Thanks for watching. Check the video description for direct links to each saw. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hands-on reviews and power tool insights.